Let's jump into this explainer. We're going to uncover why your 5 why analysis might be completely failing you. Ask yourself right now, is your 5 why actually solving problems, or is it just a box-checking compliance ritual? Too often, it's just mindless document filling instead of the rigorous diagnostic discipline it's really supposed to be.
Toyota's Taiichi Ono originally designed this as a highly scientific way to hunt down true systemic failures.
A healthy chain connects a very specific factual problem down through 5 completely verifiable logical steps.
Want to test your logic? Reverse it. Start at the root cause and read backward using so therefore.
If so therefore doesn't flow perfectly right back to the original problem, well, your chain's totally broken. The first trap, vague problem statements. You absolutely must define specific objects and their exact defects. Watch out for these 3 deadly traps: blaming people, jumping logic, and stating totally unverified opinions. Remember, human error is just a symptom, not a root cause. You've got to fix the broken system. Let's run a quick autopsy on a completely failed analysis over at Cascade Packaging Solutions. They shipped out over 4,000 defective inserts just because the die cut holes were too large. This huge quality escape put $340,000 of annual business in serious jeopardy. Their initial investigation was a lazy straight line that simply blamed the operator for setup error.
So they retrained the operator. But 11 weeks later, the exact same defect popped up again. Why?
They failed because they relied on lazy assumptions, ignored the physical evidence, and just pointed fingers. Real root cause analysis is never a straight line. It builds into a complex, evidence-based branching tree. Branch 1 showed the supplier's paperboard was too thick, causing a physical springback that enlarged the hole.
Branch 2 proved their inspection pin gauge was literally too small to ever detect an oversized hole.
By fixing the supplier's process and redesigning those gauges, they permanently solved the real root issue. Success takes dedicated investigation time, psychological safety to challenge assumptions, and real accountability for the results. So, look at your own organization. Are you guys just documenting problems or actually preventing them?